Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this mini hat keychain. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now we will join first and last stitch with slip stitch. So like we get a very tiny bit circle in between, a small gap in between. I'll just show you. See, I'll join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Here goes my slip stitch. Okay. Now see, we are getting a very small tiny bit circle in between. See, the small gap. Okay. Now we will be making 15 double crochet stitches. Okay. And each stitch I'll be making by passing my needle from inside of that circle. See, I'm passing my needle from inside of that circle, grabbing my yarn, pulling out and making my stitch complete. Okay, so this is the process I'll be making my all 15 double crochet stitches. I'm trying to show it quite slow, but even if you want to refer tutorial video for how to make double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. Please do refer that video. That video is quite simple, of course with written instructions and very simply explained, so you will understand it well. I'll just complete this 15 stitches and I'll show you. See, now I'm done with my 15 double crochet stitches. And now I will join my first and last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete my round. After this round, for next round we will make 4 single crochet stitches. Okay, so how we are going to make it? 1 single crochet stitch in first stitch, 1 single crochet stitch in second stitch, 1 single crochet stitch in third stitch, and again 1 single crochet stitch in fourth stitch. And in fifth stitch we will make 2 single crochet stitches, both in one stitch. Okay, so like this pattern, like in 4 continuous stitches we will make 1 single crochet stitch, and in every fifth stitch we will make 2 single crochet stitches. Okay, so this pattern is going to be same for all around. So I'll just complete it and I'll show you. Those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thanks a lot. Thank you so much for helping me grow on YouTube. And those who have not subscribed, I'll request you, please do subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, and of course like, comment and share also. Thank you. See, now my round is complete. I'll just join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now here forward we are going to make 10 rounds. Okay, and for all 10 rounds pattern is going to be same. We will make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Just remember, 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. And as you know, we will finish our round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So same pattern we are going to follow for all 10 rounds. I'll just make it and I'll show you how it looks. Now see, I'm done with those 10 rounds. It takes a like shape of a bowl. Okay, now after this is our last round. Now we're almost done. After this, now we will make 1 double crochet stitch in one stitch, and next stitch 2 double crochet stitch. So it will be 1 double crochet stitch in one stitch, next stitch 2 double crochet stitch. So it is a pattern of 1 2 1 2. So all around this circle we will be making it 1 double crochet stitch in one stitch and 2 double crochet stitch in next stitch. Okay, I'll just complete it. Hat is all complete. Now we just need to make this black belt. To making this black belt we need to make 17 chain crochet stitches. Then we'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, so we get a round, a ring. Then after that we will make one single crochet stitch in each stitch, okay, and join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, so we get a complete belt. And then just we will stitch that square and our keychain is complete.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.